Kalat na ngayon mga tol sa lahat ng mga balita no sa buong mundo. Ito ang ginawang pag-atake ng Amerika dito sa Syria. So pag-usapan natin 'to lalong-lalo na sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam. Samahan ninyo ko.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
So may bagong ang video mga kapatid na lumabas no mula sa US Central Command kung saan ipinapakita nila mga kapatid yung aktwal na pagbomba ng Amerika, no, yung paghulog nila ng bomba sa 70 plus, no, ganung karami na sites dito sa may Syria. Sabi rito, the US conducted military strikes against the Islamic State in Syria on Friday, following a promise by President Donald Trump to avenge the deaths of two Loa National Guard soldiers killed in a terrorist attack in that country last week. So ito'y bilang paghihigante no dun sa pagkasawingan ng dalawang sundalo at ang isang civilian interpreter. Tulad nga nung lagi nating sinasabi mga kapatid, no? Si Trump lagi niya sinasabi na siya ay para sa kapayapaan, hinahangad niya ang kapayapaan, peacemaker siya mga tol. Pero hindi talaga maiiwasan lalong-lalo na pag ikaw ang kinakante, no? Tulad nito mga tol, dalawang sundalo niya ang namatay at isang civilian interpreter at nangako siya ng retaliation. At eto na nga mga tol, few days later, nangyari na nga ang kanyang sinasabi. Ito mula rito sa Live Now from Fox, mga kapatid, no, subscribe tayo rito. Panoorin natin mga tol itong balita, samahan ninyo ako. Lalo-lalo na doon sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam mga tol. Alam ko nabigyan na natin to ng reaction video. Yung iba sa inyo napanood na yon. Pero ito naman sa ibang balita, bibigyan natin ng reaction itong balitang to. Samahan ninyo ako mga tol. Pero bago yan, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa mga bago pa lamang dito. Kung trip nyo yung mga ganitong klaseng reaction video and commentary. At kung ikaw naman ay nanonood sa ating FB page, syempre huwag mo rin kalimutan mag-follow and like. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, panoorin na natin to mga tol.
We are following some news here as we learned yesterday that the U.S. military launched strikes in Syria, and now we're getting some new video in here showing that operation. Putting this up on your screen right now.
US and Jordanian forces struck 70 plus ISIS targets in Syria with 100 plus precision munitions, peace through strength. Diba? Peace through strength. Maraming beses na natin to na napapakinggan. Ibig sabihin yan, kung gusto mo ng kapayapaan, dapat handa ka rin sa digmaan.
From U.S. Central Command, this was a post to social media saying U.S. forces struck 70 plus ISIS targets in Syria, peace through strength. And you can see to the left side of your screen there is a still of that video. And I want to put that up on your screen here now. Once again,
Ito na.
this was posted to social media just last night.
CENTCOM.
The Trump administration launched military strikes yesterday in Syria to eliminate Islamic State group fighters and weapons sites in retaliation for an ambush attack that killed 2 U.S. troops and an American civilian interpreter almost a week ago.
At tulad nga na sinasabi natin mga tol, etong Amerika, kapag nagsabi sila ultimatum, pag nagsabi silang gaganti sila, babawi sila mga tol, mangyayari talaga eh. Diba? Hindi sila yung ibang bansa na puro pananakot, puro banta lang mga tol. Sila mga tol ganito eh, tinototoo nila eh.
A U.S. official described it as a large-scale strike that hit 70 targets in areas across central Syria that had IS infrastructure and weapons. Another U.S. official who spoke on the condition of anonymity to the Associated Press to discuss the sensitive operation said more strikes should be expected.
So, kulang pa to, no? Mag-expect pa daw ng mga susunod at pas marami pang pag-atake.
The new military operation in Syria comes even as the Trump administration has said it's looking to focus closer to home in the Western Hemisphere, targeting alleged drug smuggling boats in the Caribbean Sea and vowing to keep seizing sanctioned oil tankers as part of the pressure campaign on Venezuela's leader. The U.S. has shifted significant resources away from the Middle East to further those goals. Its most advanced aircraft carrier arrived in South American waters last month from the Mediterranean Sea. President Trump pledged, quote, very serious retaliation after the shooting in the Syrian desert, for which he blamed the Islamic State. Those killed were among hundreds of U.S. troops deployed in eastern Syria as part of a coalition fighting the militant group.
Mhm.
I also wanted to share this post here on your screen with you from Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth.
Ito, Secretary of War Pete Hegseth. Earlier today, U.S. forces commenced Operation Hawkeye strike in Syria to eliminate ISIS fighters, infrastructure, and weapon sites in direct response to the attack on U.S. forces that occurred on December 13th in Palmyra, Syria. This is not the beginning of war, sabing ganon. It is a declaration of vengeance. The United States of America under President Trump's leadership will never hesitate and never relent to defend our people. Kaya nga mga kapatid, kung naaalala ninyo, di ba? Yung mga drug boat na mga sinasabing drug boat, wala nang kung ano-ano, wala nang sabi-sabi. Basta nakita nila yon, sinabi nilang drug boat yun, strike agad nila yon, di ba? Ilan drug boat na mga tol yung napasabog nila dito na galing daw sa Venezuela. O sabi rito, to defend our people, as we said directly following the savage attack, if you target Americans anywhere in the world, you will spend the rest of your brief, anxious life knowing the United States will hunt you, find you, and ruthlessly kill you. Sabing ganon. Today, we hunted and we killed our enemies, lots of them, and we will continue. Sabing ganon ni Secretary of War Pete Hegseth.
He says U.S. forces commenced Operation Hawkeye strike in Syria to eliminate ISIS fighters, infrastructure, and weapon sites in direct response to the attack on U.S. forces that occurred on December 13th in Syria. This is not the beginning of a war. It is a declaration of vengeance. The United States of America, under President Trump's leadership, will never hesitate and never relent to defend our people. As we said directly following the savage attack, if you target Americans anywhere in the world, you will spend the rest of your brief, anxious life knowing the United States will hunt you, find you, and ruthlessly kill you.
Tindi ng babala, no? Tindi ng babala ni Hegseth.
Today, we hunted and we killed our enemies, lots of them, and we will continue. We also heard from President Trump last night in a speech in North Carolina, and he hailed the operation as a, quote, massive strike that took out the, quote, ISIS thugs in Syria who were trying to regroup. Syria's foreign ministry, in a statement on X, following the launch of the U.S. strike, said that last week's attack underscores the urgent necessity of strengthening international cooperation to combat terrorism in all its forms, and that Syria is committed to fighting ISIS and ensuring that it has no safe havens on Syrian territory, that will continue to intensify military operations against it wherever it poses a threat. IS has not said it carried out the attack on the U.S. service members, but the group has claimed responsibility for 2 attacks on Syrian security forces since, one of which killed 4 Syrian soldiers. So once again, as we shared this news here with you last night on Live Now from Fox, we are now just getting in this video that was posted late last night on social media, as we're now getting a glimpse there at some of the footage of that operation. We'll continue to follow this here on Live Now from Fox.
So eto na nga mga tol, yung nirelease na footage dito sa CENTCOM dun sa kanilang X account. Dating Twitter yon mga tol, kung saan ipinapakita nila etong mga footage na to na actual na pag-atake. Doon may nakalagay na unclassified, pero ito yung pinost nila doon na pagpapakita ng pag-atake nga ng Amerika dito, kasama yung Jordanian military, no, dito sa Syria, kung saan ang target nila rito mga tol is yung mga tinatawag nga nilang Islamic State in Syria, yan, no, mga ISIS member daw mga kapatid, bilang ganti doon nga sa pagkakasawi nung 2 sundalong Amerikano at saka ng isang civilian interpreter na hinihinalo, sinasabing inatake daw, inambush mga kapatid ng ISIS. So sabi nga ni Trump nung nakaraang interview niya, magre-retaliate sila, at eto na nga, nangyari na nga yung kanyang sinabi. So ano ang ibig sabihin nito mga tol? Ito ba'y magsisimula ng isang panibagong gulo? Ito ba'y magsisimula ng isang malakihang labanan ulit sa pagitan ng US forces at dito sa tinatawag nilang Islamic State mga tol o ISIS? Ano sa tingin ninyo mga kapatid, no? Bagamat busy ang Amerika nitong nakaraan dahil doon sa kanilang Caribbean problem, di ba? Ang dami nilang dineploy na armas doon. Tapos, meron pa silang ibang mga inaasikaso tulad ng halimbawa Russia, Ukraine. tapos Taiwan, China, Japan. Ngayon naman napapasabak sila rito mga tol. At nagbanta nga rito si Pete Hegseth na kahit saan man sa daigdig, basta kinanti mo ang isang Americans, parang kinakalaban mo na rin ang Amerika at alam mo na kung ano yung sinabi niyang mga kasunod na pagbabanta. No? Ano ang inyong masasabi tungkol dito mga tol? Comment na lamang kayo sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.